Welcome to the project demonstration of electrical vehicle battery management system with charging monitoring and fire protection using Arduino Uno. In this project we are using step down transformer, bridge rectifier and voltage sensor. Here we can see current sensor and LCD display, battery pack, 2 relays and transistor board, and here you can see the temperature sensor, and also here we can see the switches. One switch is for current sensor, and here we can see another switch is for the voltage sensor, and also here we can see the push buttons for the voltage level indication or voltage charging purpose. So, and also here we can see the CPU fan, which is for cool down the battery system. So here we can see we providing the power supply through this power cable, which takes 230 volts of AC supply that will be given to this primary of this transformer winding, and secondary of this transformer winding will be given to this bridge rectifier. So it will step down up to 12 volts of AC. That 12 volts of AC will be given to this bridge rectifier. So we know that bridge rectifier is a converter which converts AC to DC. So here we can see that it is converted into 12 volts AC to 12 volts DC. So here we can see the voltage regulator. This one is a voltage regulator, so which takes the input of 12 volts DC and which down the output of voltage 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this track. So here we can see the connections. These connections are connected by these sensors and LCD display, Uno board. So the 5 volt power supply will be provided through this track. So the 5 volts power supply will be divided equal to these components like LCD, Arduino Uno board, relays and transistor board, voltage sensor, in this way. So let us see the working. So here we can see the welcome to the BMS. Now here we can see voltage values and current values also. So if I on this switch, so motor will be runs and we can observe the current values also. So here we can see the current values in a milliamps, and also here we can see the voltage values and temperature values in degrees. So if battery voltage become low, so even that time buzzer will be give a sound. This is the supply from the battery. If I off this one, so if battery become low, buzzer will give a buzzer alert. And also if I want to charge the battery using these push buttons, we can charge easily. If we press this one, if battery become low, it will give buzzer alert. So after that we have to charge the battery. So that purpose we are using the push buttons. First push button is for the low charging. So here we can see relay 1 is on. If I want to charge the battery very fast, I have to on the another relay. So If two relays are on position, which means battery will be charged fastly. If battery is get charged fully, then automatically relay and the buzzer sound will be off. And also here we can see temperature sensor. So if temperature is more than 40 above due to fire accidents, then the CPU fan will be on automatically. So for the heat purpose I am using soldering iron. So and also it will give a buzzer alert, and here we can see the fan rotation. In this way the temperature will be controlled. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.